Interesting psychological facts about women, human body, and human behavior. Sex is one of the best stress busters. It lowers your blood pressure and calms you down. Research has shown that sperm can travel up to 7 inches in an hour. A woman's sexual drive reaches its peak just before her period. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look up to 7 years younger. Sex is a great all-natural cure for headaches. On average, you burn 100 calories in a single sex session. If you're sexually attracted to someone, it is much more difficult to lie to them. At the time of your orgasm, an average person's heart beats at the rate of 140 beats per minute. You only need all the sperm that could fit into an aspirin capsule to repopulate the earth. Psychology says your inner nose swells while having sex. The average male orgasm lasts for 6 seconds, whereas an average female orgasm lasts 20 seconds. Psychology says sex is 10 times more effective than Valium. The average vagina is 3 to 4 inches long, but can expand by 200% when sexually aroused. Shaving your pubic area increases your chances of spreading an STI. A woman's breast can swell up to 25% when she's turned on. 1 orgasm a day may decrease a man's risk of prostate cancer. A study found that good sex triggers the region of the brain associated with falling in love. The average man has 11 erections per day and 9 erections at night. Women who have sex at least once a week have more regular menstrual cycles. Fear of having, seeing, or thinking about an erection is called ithophalophobia. Men reach their sexual peak at 17 years of age. Married people masturbate far more than people living alone. Most women prefer a dark place over a well-lit place to have sex. Psychology says a woman can reach orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it'll take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during intercourse. A man ejaculates approximately 17 liters of semen in his entire life. That contains about 500 billion sperm. Research shows that only about 2 tablespoons of blood are required to get an erect penis. A woman's clitoris contains over 8,000 nerve fibers, almost twice that of a penis. Have you ever wondered why it's difficult to urinate immediately after having sex? That's because when you orgasm, an antidiuretic hormone is released in your body. A study found that peeing after having sex helps prevent you from catching urinary tract infections. Men who have sex at least twice a week can almost halve the risk of heart disease, according to a 2010 study. An average healthy man can ejaculate enough sperm in 2 weeks to impregnate every woman in the world. Ejaculated sperm survives only for a few hours outside the body, but once it enters a woman's vagina and makes its way up to her cervical mucus, it can live for up to 3 to 5 days. Sex increases your immunity to pain. Orgasms trigger hormones that help you increase your pain threshold. Only 18% of women orgasm from vaginal penetration alone while having sex with a partner. People who are into kinkier sex may be psychologically healthier. Sleep-deprived men are more likely to believe women want to have sex with them. This is not a joke. A study found that men feel more emotional pain after a breakup than women do. Psychology says we automatically perceive people who smell good as more attractive. Ginger stimulates the feelings of excitement associated with sex. Eating ginger elevates your heart rate, gets your blood flowing, and gets you excited for the night ahead. Psychology says women suffering from migraines have a higher sex drive. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. The best time to have sex is right before bed. The testes increase in size by 50% when a man is aroused. Some people orgasm while working out due to repetitious core movement. Living alone could increase the risk of depression by up to 42%, according to recent research. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.